We on Lincoln and the 91. Look at JB Hunt in the rain. Valentine's Day. 2:14:25. Look at the time. Look at the speed. Look at that. It's got to be. That's crazy. It's 55 in ideal weather conditions and traffic conditions. How is it 65 in the rain? That's, man, come on, man. First thing they holler, something happened. Oh, somebody cut me off. Oh shoot. Dude, no, you're speeding. That's insane. And y'all know I bring this to you on my channel, man, that I'm a truck driver, bro. I saw my channel, y'all see people running stop signs, people doing brake checks. That's crazy. That's crazy.